everyone, meet Bella, Ralph's new friend. You might recognise her as Danielle's cat from the fox video, you know, who single-handedly scared off an entire family of foxes. Well, me and Danielle recently got a house together, and so Ralph and Bella came along too. They're not best friends just yet. Ralph really wants to be, and Bella is tolerating him, but keeping him at a safe distance for now. I'll update you with how it goes in a week or two, so if you're new, please consider subscribing for all their future adventures.